grade 11 EIM students in laboratory workshops, a phenomenological study. Our research problem: what are the challenges encountered by grade 11 EIM students in laboratory workshops, and what coping strategies do they use to overcome these difficulties? Our research question number 1: what challenges did grade 11 EIM students face in the laboratory workshops? Number 2: how did grade 11 EIM students overcome the challenges they face in laboratory workshops? In our research design, this study used a qualitative research design to explore the challenges and coping strategies of grade 11 EIM students.
Research response. The research participants were 10 11 EIM students from Pablo Lorenzon National School, specifically from the electrical installation and maintenance branch.
Data source. Data was gathered through in-depth interview and conducted and focus group discussion using validated questions to ensure relevance and appropriateness. Data collection. Data collection involved identifying participants, conducting interview, and facilitating focus group discussion.
Data analysis. Our data analysis followed College's 1973 7-step method, which include extracting words, transcribing statements, and organizing teams.
In the right side of our thematic map, challenges faced by grade 11 EIM students, our emergency mod will answer the research question number 1: what challenges do grade 11 EIM students face in the laboratory workshops? In the left side is the emergency 2, which will be answering research question number 2: how did grade 11 EIM students overcome the challenges they face in laboratory workshops? In cluster team 1, innovation tools and equipment, according to participant A, some tools don't work properly, like the tools or like the screws or rods that were broken. When this happens, we waste time trying to fix it or wait to use another one. A study by Ramirez 2021 indicates that well-equipped laboratories help students improve while poorly maintained tools cause frustration and delay skills. In cluster team 3, time constraints in laboratory sessions, as stated by participant C. I wish we had more time in the laboratory because electrical work is patience, but we are always in a hurry. A study by Garcia and Thompson 2022 stated that electrical maintenance students need more extended time to develop their skills to fully understand the theory in the lab session.
In cluster team 1, seeking help from peers and instructor, based on participant's A statement, he said that when I don't understand the task, I ask my classmates and they explain better than I understand. This statement reported by Reynolds 2020. He stated that a student will engage peer discussion and seek mentorship from his instructor will help him improve his problem-solving skills.
Cluster 2. Engaging in self-direct learning. As stated by participant C, I watch YouTube tutorials to see how to signal to electrical wiring. It helps me understand better before we practice in the lab. This statement is also supported by a study of Miller and Watson 2019 reported that additional students who supplement their learning with online sources
In cluster TEM 3, maximizing available resources and time.
strengths ilang ginagawa.
Okay, so question for your group. Based on the findings of your study, what can you recommend for the future researchers?
We recommend to our future researchers, similar study may be conducted using a quantitative research design with a larger number of participants and explore the experiences of students during on-the-job training or ODT and industry immersion of EIM students. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, congratulations.